Our workplace environment is changing rapidly. With the advent of technology, we are constantly looking for ways to improve productivity and efficiency. One such technology that is revolutionizing our workspaces is the all-in-one interactive flat panels. These interactive flat panels are not just any ordinary screens. They are smart, intuitive, and designed to enhance collaboration. They are equipped with features that allow seamless communication and interaction, making work more engaging and less tedious. Imagine being able to share your screen with your colleagues, annotate on the shared screen, and save the notes for future reference, all in real time. This is what interactive flat panels bring to the table. They ensure that no idea gets lost in translation and every voice in the room is heard. These panels are not just for internal meetings. They can also be used for client presentations, training sessions, and even remote meetings. With high-quality video and audio, they provide a more immersive experience, making every meeting more productive. In a world where time is money, these interactive flat panels are a game changer. They not only save time, but also reduce the need for multiple devices. With everything integrated into one, they simplify the entire process, making work more streamlined and